the hell out of the way. Oh, now it smells like my car. I don't know what the hell that smell was last time. It smelled funky. Which one's the one that does the damn thing? Oh yeah, put them out like that. Okay, pretty much off now. I believe it's off. All right. Yeah, they're off. Okay. Unfold the mirrors. This is the right-hand side. Right side, right? Okay. Make sure you put it on the right side. So we can get anything that's on there cleaned off. These are from Rexpeed. They were about, I mean, I think they advertise them for $100 or like $99 or something like that. But man, with shipping and tax and stuff, they hike up like 30 freaking bucks on them. So during Cyber Monday or Black Friday or whatever the heck it is, I went ahead and pulled the trigger on these. Just because I was looking for small, simple stuff to get for the car, because I'm not right now with the holidays, and then I spent all that money doing the ceramic coat and the paint correction stuff on this thing. I don't want to be spending a bunch of money on car parts right now. Especially knowing or seeing the prices, especially seeing the prices of items when it came to Black Friday. It made me think like, dude, I don't need to be in a rush to modify the vehicle. I should just freaking wait, save up the money, wait till the next Black Friday, and then do it then. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. Because realistically, do I need to put this whole thing? Or should I just put this piece? Nah, it'll probably come off, right? It's probably so that it's facing that way. It's like a indicator to show you it's going that way. But what I was trying to say was, with the prices of or the sales prices of a lot of things, 30% off, 40% off, some things 70% off, like that helmet that I bought from, what is it, Ruroke or whatever it is. That thing was 70 freaking percent off. You can't beat that, but it makes you think like, dang, I should just wait until, oh, that's why it came with those pieces. Let me go check that real quick. Hold on. It came with something else. Now it makes sense, because before I was thinking like, what the hell are these for? These little suction cups. But it makes sense. Put the suction cups on, then you can do it. Man, some people think of everything, man. I was wondering what these damn suction cups came with it for. I was like, do they get suction cup to the fucking other window? That's cheap. But it makes sense. You suction cup it, and then you put it on there, so you can hold the mirror because it's recessed. You know what I mean? So that makes total freaking sense. I was thinking that it didn't have adhesive right here, and then you're supposed to put this to that and then stick it on there. I was like, that is ghetto for $100. But makes total sense to use these basically as like as a setting tool. You just stick these on the front of the mirror. Stick these on the front of the mirror. Then you can use it to set the actual mirror. Voila, like this. Because before, I was thinking like, how the heck am I gonna get inside here to get it completely perfectly aligned? Because this is kind of a pain in the butt. Especially stuff like this. Stuff that's supposed to be on there for quite some time. You want it to be perfectly aligned. Oh, it looks like it has a little gap right there. Damn. But it looks like that's where it's gonna freaking stay, because I'm not gonna be able to get it off. It looks good though. I don't think it looks bad. Next time I'll put it on the other one, I'll put it a little bit higher. That sucks. But I think it'll be all right. It looks really good because it actually doesn't even look blue. It doesn't look super blue. It just looks like it's got a deep reflection. But if you look at this, it looks really, really deep. Really nice, man. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and put these on. Let's take this over there. Might be kind of a pain in the butt being right here, but tight quarters, tight quarters. All right, let's get anything that's on there off, so we don't mess it up. Because the other side's not fucked up. It's just, I wish I would have went a little bit higher, just so it's completely flush. But if anybody's looking at your car that hard, man, don't just back the fuck up anyways. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that fucking serious, bro. Tell these people, if it ain't your car, then it ain't that fucking serious. Because if I ain't worried about it, then if it ain't your car, you damn sure shouldn't be worried about it. You know what I'm saying? But you got a lot of people that want to talk down, want to hate on the next man, but then wonder why life stinks for them. Or why things in life are a struggle and don't always go their way, or why you and not them. Well, because you're thinking that way, that's exactly why someone else and not you, man. Nothing in this world is given to you. Some people may have it a little bit easier. I'm not gonna lie, you know. Some people were born with money and some people were born in a better environment. But that really doesn't make you, man. You make you. You know, because I grew up, if any of you guys know Houston, I was born in the Heights. I grew up in Aldine, Greens Point area. If you know, like I said, if you know Houston, the Aldine, Greens Point area is pretty bad. But then when my mom and my dad separated, we ended up moving to the Cypress area, which we just got lucky, you know. And at the time, in the late 90s, it was a nicer area. So to us, it felt really good. Now Cypress is not the greatest of place. There's a lot of stuff going on, but that's just, you know, any big city as it grows, they get harder and harder. But all in all, I think the mirrors look badass. I was supposed to do a before and after, but I mean, it is what it is. It looks really, really good to me. That looks freaking awesome. It looks extremely clean.